I got a good choice for you.
Oh, really?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, then show me around.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
Uh, you can see here, this is the sales champion of Sinotruk company, the Sitrak. That's inside. The cooling water and the water for washing the
windscreen.
Yes. And let me show you the model enter box. And now you have to go back and do work out.
Now, please tell me about the quality of the truck.
Okay, the engine is main engine of MC series. At present, Centrica's foreign axle is emissions free for 1 million kilometers. Because it's good quality and fuel efficient, many freeze and frozen products transmission company in China choose it. According to the user's record, it has driven 3 million kilometers in 9 years, so its quality is trustworthy. Okay.
But how much do you think it will go?
Okay, that's a good question. This May is the 10th anniversary of launch of the Centrica brand. Our company has given the biggest discount for Centrica. We can guarantee that you will not be able to buy it at a lower price than our company in China. Here are them.
I think that you have to take me to the place to pay at least to deposit some money.
Now?
Yeah. Show you how interested and how serious.
Okay, let's go. Okay, we have already seen all the outlook, and I want to tell you to go in the cabin.
Oh
Have a look.
wow, that's great.
Yeah, and we'll yeah, let's go.
I think the inside is so comfortable too.
Yes, exactly.
I admire this truck.
Okay, glad to hear that.
Oh, they are in English.
Yes, sure.
Easy to read.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow. And where you are sitting, is it a bed?
Yeah, sure. There are two beds.
Oh, for
The
two
higher-
people.
Yeah, sure. Two sleepers.
Oh, that's great. That's great.
And
That's
it
great.
also have the radio and the air conditioner.
Okay.
So
Okay. I can see from here.
yeah,
Yeah.
you can
And-
play some radio, music, radio, and you can also use your Bluetooth.
Bluetooth.
Bluetooth to connect with your iPhone. It's okay.
Okay. And what is this?
It's for the battery.
Okay. To
Battery-
show the
Show
battery
the
power
battery power. Yes.
Okay.
How much power?
it has.
And here is the
Fuel.
fuel tank. Yes,
Okay.
fuel tank.
Okay, that's the fuel tank, and this is the
Speed.
speed, and this is
Ah.
the speedometer.
Yes.
Is it automatic?
Yes. Sure, it is.
And which one is the handbrake? The handbrake.
I think it's here.
Does it have airbag?
Yes. There are three. There are four airbag. In the bottom of the cabin.
Okay, that's good. That's good. At least it can protect the driver
The
in
fuel-
case of any accident.
Yes.
Thank you very much. I think I'm done.
Okay.
I've heard enough the questions and answers. So now it is the deal.
Okay.
I want to seal the deal.
Okay.
That's my ultimate priority.
Okay.
Seal. Okay. So thank you.
Welcome. If you want to find more treasurable trucks, so you can follow our website www.snailtruck.com. Welcome you.